Okay, I made a very simple little project in here, but I have two light bulbs. I have a 4-channel solid state uh, relays, and then I have Arduino Nano in this little bracket that helps me to just wire the wires with a screw securing the wires so it's not flimsy like when you have a PCB board. When you have a breadboard. So this here is the input 110 volts, and the ground is all connected together. And then the red wire, which is the hot wire, goes into here. Uh, and then the hot is supplied from here to this pin, as well as the second hot side would be on here, and then these are the outputs. Anyway, as you can see, they go into the light bulbs. This one goes to the second one. Uh, I made it so it's uh, turning on and off about 1 second apart, but of course you can make one turn on and then the other one uh, doesn't have to be turned on at all, or you can flash them like I am. I mean, whatever you want to turn on. This just shows that you can use Arduino, any Arduino really, pretty much so, um, and a solid state relay, which is way better than the magnetic style, the old fashioned relays. They also are noisy, and this is completely quiet, and they don't get hot at all. The light bulbs are a little warm, but otherwise than that, it's pretty nifty. Runs, as you can see, pretty well. I'm powering it right now from this power bank. So if I unplug it, it'll all go. Uh, Let me turn off this light here. There we go. So now you can see it a little bit better without the glare over here. But basically, it's simple. I will paste a sketch into comments because I last time when I tried to upload video and I put it into the body, it didn't like it, and uh, basically the YouTube did not want to upload it. So this time I'm going to go ahead and do it like I did in one of my other videos this week, where I pasted it into the first comment, basically. And if somebody wants to sketch, no problem. Of course, you can use it at your discretion. Since you're working here with mains, uh, uh, unless you are an adult and you know what you're doing, uh, then in that case, uh, you're responsible for your own uh, doing. So, because this is 110 volts, so this can actually hurt you, and in some instances kill you. So, be very careful with the mains. Double check everything before you, wire anything up. And then after you wire it up, check it again just to make sure. I stapled these two staples over here to hold the wires so the whole thing is not moving or not trying to rip off this cable. And I put 4 feet on the bottom. Uh, Demonstrate that. Here's uh, one of the feet, another one, and of course on this side there's 2 more. And the reason I did that is so it doesn't pull, the cord does not pull the whole project to the floor. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. It is not a very difficult project to make. If you are a youngster, please have your parent or adult who knows what to do with mains uh, and supervise you or help you with the project, because I'm not responsible for what you do to yourself. So be very careful with it. You don't have to, of course, operate just light bulbs. You can operate some other things. These relays are pretty strong. Here is the board, and it's an Omron. Now, let me see if I can bring it a little closer. There we go. It's an Omron, and as you can see, uh, uh, it goes up to 250 volts. So it's pretty good. Let me see if I can tell you how many amps. Uh, 2 amps. You can do up to 2 amps in this case. There are solid state relays that go much higher than 2 amps, but 2 amps is plenty for most little projects like this, like a light bulb. You know, if you are not pulling, like a 150-watt light bulb, these are 25-watt each. So as I said, it's just basically try to make it uh, don't exceed the 2 amps basically. But there are relays you can get that are much stronger, and as they are solid state. But these ones here are only 2 amps each. Okay, so put me thumbs up, and then don't forget to share it with your friends, as well as have a great day.